What's happening? Just like every Sunday, man, we going into the market. You know how we do swing trade Sunday setup. Let me light it up in here real quick. So just like every week, man, I'm gonna give y'all the feel for the market. Man, let me turn this down a little bit. So I'm gonna give y'all the feel for the market just like every week. And I'm gonna give y'all some swing trade plays, swing trade setups. I got a couple of them, and to be honest, I'm kind of looking for the market to go down this week. Um, but I got some potential plays just in case the market does not go down this week. So we're gonna look at it together. You know how we start. We always hit with the fear and greed index. Let's see what that's looking like. So the fear and greed index is fearful, and the market is more fearful than we were the previous close. We were more fearful than a week ago. The vibe is when the market is fearful, that's when you want to get greedy. Looking at this to be real, I feel like we might go up, you know what I'm saying, at least on Monday after a big old drop like that with all this fear in the market. But of course, the fear and greed index ain't gonna tell you nothing on its own. So let's look some more. Let's look at the chart. Let's pull up VTI, which is the total stock market index, and let's see what that's looking like. So with VTI on the daily time frame, looks like the MACD is considering a bearish. MACD has turned red. And the RSI, the lines have crossed going downwards. We are towards the bottom of the Bollinger Band a little bit. But that's a big bearish candle, and I feel like it broke. If you look, the stock was making, if you look, the market was making higher, right? We were making higher highs, which mean we were on the uptrend. We had a point right there. Then we had another point right here. Come on, move with me. This thing doing what it want to do. Um, let's get rid of these. But yeah, so it was making higher highs, and that last candle it broke that trend of making higher highs. Right. So if you look at the bottom of this red candle all the way over, my bad, y'all. I'm getting rid of the finger, the hands. But a stock when it's trending upwards is making higher highs. And this red candle all the way over to the right, which was the red candle all the way to the right, which was the previous day, that was Thursday. What the all right, we gonna forget about this hand thing. I don't know what the hell going on. Um, but but as you can see right here, we had a low, then we made a higher low, then we made a higher low. Now we broke that trend of making higher lows with a real strong bearish candle. So that's giving me vibes that the market is now in a downtrend. But because we are down here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, I feel like a lot of times after a big drop, the market doesn't really like, you know what I'm saying? It don't really like, that if you miss that big drop, I don't feel like the next day is just going to be a real big drop. I feel like because of that big drop, it put fear in people's head, and then you know what I'm saying, people kind of, you know what I'm saying, from there kind of like, assume that it's going to probably just drop a whole bunch more. But I got a feeling it might be going up at least Monday, but the overall trend, I got a feeling like the stock market is going down. But with that being said, I got some good setups. Even though I feel like the market is trending downwards, I got some good setups for some swing trade plays. So I would I would take caution with doing these plays. I would take caution, but I would take caution, but only trade these if they're confirmation. And if you're gonna hold it until, you know what I'm saying. If you want to do the swing trade, you enter the trade on Monday and the stock market gaps up Tuesday morning, get out of the trade Tuesday morning if any of these trades do confirm. So first I'm gonna go with the play that I'm least in love with, more so just because it was extremely oversold, right? Because I'm not really familiar with this company. If you are interested in it, you know what I'm saying, do your research. But this first one on the list is strictly because of the level that it is oversold. Extremely oversold on the RSI, super below the Bollinger Band. Like this is given that the stock can't or don't want to go down anymore. But that's strictly off of being oversold. I did not look at their financials. I didn't look at their financials or anything like that. So if you want to consider swing trading this company right here, go to Yahoo Finance and check them out first. But now I'm gonna go to I got what four more plays for y'all. So I'm gonna go to the next I'm gonna go to the next three or next four and pull these up. Let's make some money. I do want y'all to be cautious. Be cautious because I feel like the market is on its way down. All right, Nike. So with Nike, the reason why I liked Nike is because it's trending upwards. It's kind of giving bull flag vibes, not really, but it was kind of just like a momentum play too. I wasn't really in love with Nike, but because it's given like the semi bull flag pattern on top of it already trending upward and it's above the 9-day moving average, I considered it as a possibility. um on the 4 hour time frame, if you look, the bull flag does look a little better. So if you wanted to trade Nike based off of the bull flag, you would want to wait until about 70 about 78. You want Nike to break $78 before entering in on a swing trade, and you know what I'm saying, make put on a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. But another reason why I like it, if you go down to the hour time frame, you can see that we are trending upwards, making higher lows, right? That's on the hour. If you look down here at the MACD looks like it's about to cross soon on the hour. If you look at the 4 hour, the MACD is green, already crossed. And if you look on the daily, the MACD is green as well. So Nike, not extremely in love with that one. You know what I'm saying? But at least it's a prospect, it's a possibility. So we got whatever that other company was and Nike. Now I'm gonna start going into some of the plays that I like a little bit more. Um, and we going at let's look at Walmart. Okay, I see instantly why I like Walmart. So let me take these lines off. So with Walmart, I see one of my favorite setups, which then again, it's not really a divergence. Um, but with Walmart, one, I like the fact that Walmart is, so close to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. That's one thing. Another thing is, let's see if this was a good level of support right here. This little wick that it hit. Let's see how that level of support holds up. Okay, so we got a point where we got this candle right here that bounced down from that same area where the last candle bounced up from, and that's a long wick. So let's go back and see if Walmart ain't never been this high like that. So it ain't enough history to really tell if we're at a strong level of support. But we do have a previous candle or two previous candles hitting that area. So as far as the divergence, Walmart looks like it's kind of making a divergence. I see why I liked it. You know what I'm saying? It's making higher lows, and the indicator is making lower lows. As you see, at the same time where the stock is making higher lows, the stochastic is making lower lows. Um, the RSI is making lower lows. I like for the MACD to make lower lows too when you're looking at the divergence, but the MACD isn't really confirming the divergence. It's really just the stochastic and the um the stochastic oscillator and the RSI. So with this one, you would want to monitor this trade. I like that the RSI is near. I like that the RSI is near oversold. The stochastic is definitely oversold. I do like that same level that is bouncing from currently is a previous level of support, and we got a little divergence. Let's go to the monthly or the weekly. Yeah, so let me also see if there's a trend line. Nah, it ain't no trend line. So Walmart is a possibility. Walmart is a possibility. You got to monitor that one. So we got Nike, that one company. I have no idea what that company does or what their name is. Um, Now let's look at PayPal, and then I got one more at the PayPal. So I like PayPal. Now I really wish this last candle had more of a wick. That's the only thing, you know what I'm saying? Right now we looking at PayPal on a daily time frame. And I wish this had more of a wick because PayPal is literally right at the 200 MA, right? It's right at the 200 MA. The stochastic oscillator is extremely oversold. We're down at a 1.3, a 1.3 out of 100. So the stochastic oscillator is extremely oversold. We do got a gap right up in here. All gaps don't get filled, but in a lot of cases they do get filled at some point. So we do got a gap there. The MACD look like it's gonna cross at some point. So I like that PayPal is right at the 200-day moving average. The indicators are oversold, and the MACD looks like it's about to cross. If we go to the 4 hour looks extremely oversold. We also have a doji. Oh, that's kind of doji, a little bit. Um, Now, according to the hourly time frame, we are trending downwards, but the the MACD indicator look like it's about to turn green. So if you were to get into this trade, you would want it to make newer highs. You know what I'm saying? You would want it to probably break this pivot point right here, probably the 76 area, because you'll be breaking the pivot point and the 9 AMA with making newer highs and the indicators probably turning green, turning up. So with PayPal, I would wait until at least it get about above like $76 before entering that as a swing trade. Um, and I think this the one I like the most. Dang, look at that. All right, so I like Amazon the most. Now, there's a lot of reasons why I like Amazon. So I like Amazon because of the, let's see if it's gonna allow me to draw on here without all that. Yeah, no, it ain't gonna do it. All right, so let me hide all this craziness on Amazon. But I like Amazon because we got a divergence on Amazon from here to here. We're making higher highs, and on the indicators, we're making lower lows. MACD, the MACD, same, lower lows, lower lows. The stock is making higher lows while the indicator is making lower lows. I also like it because we are down here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. You know what I'm saying? But down here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, let's test this level of support. Dang. Um, I ain't even gonna look at that, man. This thing look crazy. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to go back through that. That thing is marked up, but it does look like a good level of support, man. So I got that first company, AKAM. We got Nike, PayPal, Walmart, and Amazon. Let me take a quick look back at Walmart real quick, just in case I skipped that one. No, okay, I think we looked at Walmart. So Walmart, in case we didn't look at Walmart, let me pull it back up. So Walmart looks like we got another divergence. Not really on the MACD, but on the RSI and stochastic, we're also extremely oversold. So Walmart is looking pretty decent too. I'm gonna take a real quick look at Walmart financials. I mean, I'm pretty sure that Walmart. I'm pretty sure that Walmart is profitable, but I just want to check real quick. All right, let me share this with. Look at this, Yahoo Finance. Come on, financials. Let me see. Oh yeah, Walmart's big profitable, and they're consistently more profitable year over year. Okay, so worried about financials for Walmart. So possible swing trades that I'm looking for next week. Walmart, Nike, PayPal, Amazon, and this AKAM company. I expect the market to go down. So if you if these swing trade plays even give confirmation, You really just want to enter Monday and exit Tuesday because the overall trend of the market should be going down. If any of these swing trades play out, it's going to play out for a short, quick swing trade. So if you enter it on Monday, exit it Tuesday morning after pre-market and take it for what it is. I'm Mike, the Money Motivator, man. Check me out again next Sunday for swing trade setup. Give you some of these plays.